you talk to any one of my colleagues working in the emergency rooms here in the Pacific Northwest over the last several summers, they'll be able to tell you you're seeing a lot more heat-related illness.
During hot weather, take precautions to stay safe, including getting inside to cooler air, staying hydrated, checking in on people who may need help, and staying informed on the forecast. Also, watch for this sign to seek medical care.
If you or your friend or your loved one is experiencing confusion or loss of consciousness, that is a clear sign that you need advanced medical support. And that means you need to go to the hospital, need to go to the emergency room. And the reason that is because that is a sign of heat stroke, which is the life-threatening medical emergency that we worry about most.
Longer stretches of summer heat are becoming a more common occurrence in the Pacific Northwest. Dr. Wheat says people who need to be outside for work or hobbies can gradually adjust for the conditions ahead of time.
When it comes to, what individuals can do to help build up their tolerance to heat and being out in the heat, I think there are good recommendations around this. And what the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control, recommends is increasing your exposure by, just about 20% a day. So if, you're going to go out for a half hour, don't go out for like 3 hours the next day. Again, slow, gradual progression to expose yourself to heat, and that allows your body time to, ramp up those physiologic changes. And the studies have shown that it takes about 1 to 2 weeks to get to that, kind of maximal, physiologic changes that allow your body to manage those extreme temperatures. The reality that we're seeing due to climate change is that we're seeing heat waves that are coming more frequently. The heat dome in 2021, that was a 1 in 10,000 year event. That's an extremely rare event. But we're seeing those kinds of events happen more frequently. They're lasting longer and they're more intense, which means that they're hotter. So climate change is driving all of that.